Hello, welcome. Silent Man in Lapland. Walk 5. Let's go. Today we are going to cook some salmon at the campfire. We're having a bit snowy here. We have this nice little route. We arrived to the camp. There's a toilet. Yeah, very nice. What we have here? Yeah, place for the logs. Very nice. Can you hear the river? Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, there's the river. It's not frozen yet because so fast flow. Yeah. What do we have here? Ah, the little putty. Hello. How are you? Hello. You have quite nice fire already here. Nice. Good. Let's put some salt. Some citrus pepper. Yeah, very nice. Chili. We have some nice salmon. Yeah, little buddy. Yeah. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Hello. You're gonna have nice fire salmon. Yeah, beautiful campfire. And soon we're gonna have some nice blazed salmon. Yeah. Is it nice? Beautiful rapids, voices. Okay, let's taste. Looks good. Very good. Yeah, looks. Very nice. Yeah. So yes, thank you. Sub and like. Bye.